Good day everyone. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to make this figure using Solidworks. So to start with, click this icon, then new, then click OK. Then set this one to mmgs. After that, click sketch, then top plane. Then we will make a center line from this point to this point. Then right click and select. Next, click the smart dimension, then we will modify the dimension of this line. So this center line measures 143.5. Next is to click this point and this point. Then this one measures 50. After that, click this one. Then from this point, we will make an angle from to here. The next is here. The next is here. Then like this one and here. After that, we will use the smart dimension. Then the dimension between this is 3. Then after that, we will put the measurement in this part. So this one measures 3 also. Then click check, and after that we will put the measurement of these angles. So this one, so this angle measures 10. Next, this one measures 40. While this one measures 20. While this one measures 6. While this one measures 600. For the meantime, we're going to delete this dimension. And using the smart dimension from this point to this point, this one measures 50. Then next, from this point to this point, so this one measures 3.5. After that, smart dimension again from this point to the center line, and this one measures 9. Then next is mirror entities, then highlight all these figures, then click this one, then center line, then click check. after that, we will add relation. So, click this point and this curve, then coincident. Then check. Then next is to put the dimension of the center line from this point to this point. So the center line measures 143.5. Then check. Then next is to add relation. So click this point and this curve, then coincident. Then check. Then after that, we will use the smart dimension. Then from this point to this point, it measures 50. And after that, exit sketch. After that, click front plane, then sketch, then normal 2. Then after that, we will make a center line from this point downward to this point. Then from here, then right click and select. After that, smart dimension. Then this one measures 45. The next point, let's put a point here, then right click and select. Then we will use the smart dimension. And this one, from this one, measures 10. And next is a 3-point arc from this point to this point. And next is smart dimension. This curve measures 500. Then click check. Then next is smart dimension again from this point to this point. So this one, this curve measures 76. Then next is a point. Put a point here. Then right click and select. Then use the smart dimension. Then the distance of this one is 6. Then after that, we will make an arc using the 3-point arc from this point to this point. Then move your mouse upward. Then check. And after that, we will use the 3-point arc again from this point to this point. Then from here. Then right click and select. Then smart dimension. This angle measures 20, while this one, this angle measures 40. After that, smart dimension from this point to this point. Then this one measures 74. Then after that, smart dimension from this point to this point. Then this one measures 119. After that, we will put a point here, then check, then exit sketch. Then after that, click features, then reference geometry and plane. Then click this point. Then click this one, then click reference geometry, then plane, then click this point, then check. Click reference geometry, then plane, then click this point, then check. After that, click this plane, then sketch, then click this one and normal 2. And after that, click 3-point arc, then click this point, then this point, then move your mouse down, then right click and select. Then click this one, then add relation, then click this point, then horizontal, then check. Then add relation again, click this curve and this point, then coincident, then check. Next is smart dimension, and this curve measures 30. Then exit sketch, then move your drawing, then click this plane, sketch, then click this one and normal 2. Then we will use the 3-point arc again and we will make an arc. Then next is add relation, click the 2 points, click these 2 points, then horizontal, then check. Add relation again, click these 2 points, then move your drawing, then click this point. Relation again, then click this point and this point, then coincident, then check. Then smart dimension, click this curve, and this curve measures 10. Then exit sketch. Then click this plane, then hide, and the plane 2 hide, then plane 3 hide. Then after that, click the right plane, then sketch, then move your drawing, features, click right plane, then click features, reference geometry, then plane. then click this point, then check. Click this plane, then normal 2, then sketch, then 3-point arc again. You will make an arc from here to here, then move your mouse down, then right click, then select, then add relation, click these points, then horizontal, then next add relation again, click this curve, then this point, then coincident. Smart dimension, then this curve measures 40. After that, click the search box, then type surface boundary, then click this arrow, then commands, then search, then click this one, boundary space, click this curve, right click, delete, click this curve, okay, let's repeat, click this curve, then this curve, then next is this one. Oh, there's an error. So let's repeat the process again. Click the boundary surface again, then click this curve, this curve, and also this curve, then click this direction to click this curve, then check. Then after that, click this one, then click the plane for first, then type trim surface, then click this one, then this figure, then this one and this surface, then click check. So let's hide this plane, then we are done. So here is our final figure.